You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm going to talk about coterminal angles. Okay. For example, here is a circle, right? And we've got 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, all the way back to 360 degrees. If we keep going, if I go another 30 degrees, I get to 390, right? I could keep wrapping around over and over and over again. 360, this is also 720, right? This is also 1080. I could just keep going over and over and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. And so 360 and 720 are called coterminal angles, okay? So what angle is coterminal with 390? Well, wouldn't that be 30 degrees? Because this is 30 degrees from here to here, right? From 360 to 390 is 30. So coterminal with 390 is also 30. Now, in the delta math problems today, you will have, it says find coterminal angle between where 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than 360. Theta, what the heck is theta? I don't know, maybe they ran out of English letters in the alphabet and they had to go to Greek letters. But this theta, all that means is an angle. It represents the angle. The degrees of an angle is theta. So just roll with it, please. Theta just means the angle. Don't sweat it. All right? So theta is between 0 and 360. So in this case, what angle is between 0 and 360 that's coterminal with 390? Well, 30. That's all you have to do. So looking over here, you have radians, right? 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi. So look at here, you have 13 pi over 6. Well, right, wouldn't this be 3 pi over 6? Wouldn't this be 6 pi over 6, right? 6 over 6 is 1, right? And wouldn't this be 12 pi over 6? Because 12 pi over 6 is 2 pi, right? So 12 pi over 6 plus 1 pi over 6 is 13 pi over 6. So wouldn't it be pi over 6 would be the angle that's coterminal with 13 pi over 6, right? Okay, so here's the kind of problems you're going to see. For example, find an angle theta, coterminal to 390, where theta is between 0 and 360. Okay, so all you need to do is take 390 and subtract 360. 390 minus 360 is 30. There you go. That's it. Same thing here. Find an angle where theta coterminal to 709, where theta is between 0 and 360. So take 709 and minus 360, and you get 349. That's between 0 and 360, right? Okay. What about this? Find an angle theta coterminal to negative 501. Negative 501. Now what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to add 360. Okay? So I'm going to take negative 501 plus 360. I get negative 141. I'm still not between 0 and 360. So I'm going to add another 360, which will take me to 219. And there you go. Find an angle theta coterminal with 1,163. What? Okay. Minus 360. 803. Still too high. Minus 360. 483. 443. Still too high. Minus 360. 83. There you go. Okay. Now, we're going to do the same thing here. Find an angle coterminal to 13 pi over 6, where theta is between 0 and 2 pi. So instead of subtracting 360, we're going to subtract 2 pi. So here, because it's 13 pi over 6, then I'm going to subtract what pi over 6? Does it make sense? I'm going to subtract 12 pi over 6, because 12 pi over 6 is 2 pi, right? So what's 13 pi over 6 minus 12 pi over 6? 1 pi over 6. Done. Here we go with negative. So instead of minusing 2 pi, I'm going to add 2 pi. So negative 7 pi over 2. But what's 2 pi equal to? What's 2 pi equal to if I have 2 on the bottom? Won't that be plus 4 pi over 2? Isn't 4 pi over 2 the same as 2 pi, right? So negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3 pi over 2. Not good enough. I need to get positive. So I'm going to add another 4 pi over 2. What's negative 3 plus 4? 1 pi over 2. There you go. How about negative 2 pi over 3? Okay. So what's the same as 2 pi? That would be 6 pi over 3. That's the same as 2 pi, right? What's negative 2 plus 6? 4 pi over 3. There you go. 19 pi over 3. Remember we just said that the same as 2 pi would be 6 pi over 3. So we're going to take 19 pi over 3 minus 6 pi over 3. 13 pi over 3, still too high. Minus 6 pi over 3 is 7 pi over 3, still too high. 7 pi over 3 minus 6 pi over 3, 1 pi over 3. Ding, 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 ding. There you go. You've been watching the Weiss channel.